you assume that
Hi, this is Roy from Neon Wings. We have a best-in-class performance and Italian car, Fiat Grande Punto 1.4 liter 4-cylinder petrol hatchback. It delivers 90 bhp max power with peak torque of 115 Newton meter. Comes mated with 5-speed manual transmission. This oceanic blue hatchback is run for 76,000 kilometers by 2 owners. Car is available in Bangalore, registered with Elanka RTO, that is KA50, and has a running insurance on it. The price for this is 2,20,000. This forward-wheel driven car delivers a mileage of about 12 km per liter with a top speed of 155 km per hour. The aerodynamic design by Fiat gives it a sporty look. The tough metal used for the car makes it really safe and sturdy. On the front, it has a reindeer headlamp cluster on both the sides with beautifully designed radiator grille and bumpers. Company's insignia is placed on the grille, which is complemented by the character lines given on the bonnet. Car sports a pair of neatly placed fog lamps too. Tires are 15-inch tubeless radial, front brakes are disc with rear ones are drum. You get a pretty good ground clearance of 165 mm. The turn radius is 5.2 meter and has ABS in it. Door handles are body colored with outside rear view mirrors, have a touch of black at its bottom. These are electrically controlled. The rear bumper is body colored and you can see there's a rear wiper and it has defogger too. The tailgate is simple and neatly designed. It has a spoiler holding the stop lamp at the center along with a set of high mounted rear lamp cluster on either side. With this you get a boot of 280 liters with 45 liter fuel tank. The seating is so designed that we need not make much effort to get settled in the driver or co-driver seats. You can see the dashboard is big with nice finishing. The positioning of music system and other controls is handy. You get a power steering with it. The instrument cluster has almost everything that a driver wants to know while driving. You get 6 airbags with this car, and the car is roomy from inside with decent leg rooms in the front and rear. Air conditioner comes with climate control feature. You get 2 cup holders in the front, and the front top section from inside you have inside mirror with reading lamps control. Center console has a CD player with radio controls on it. You get an accessory power output port with this as well. All our power windows comes with central lock and child safety features. Overall, it is a car though driven by 2 owners, but it still looks pretty well maintained and worthy. So before I go any further, let me tell you a little about Fiat. So the full form of Fiat, that is F-I-A-T, is Fabbrica Italiana Automobili Torino. It means Italian Automobile Factory in Turin. So Turin is a city, an important business and culture center in northern Italy. Turin was the first Italian capital from 1861 to 1865. And you'll be amazed to know that Fiat has also manufactured railway engines, military vehicles, tractors, aircraft and weapons. That was Fiat Grande Punto Emotion 1.4 liter petrol hatchback with a price tag of 2,20,000. Hope you like the car and the video. Do give a like, share it, subscribe my channel if you haven't already. With my team and Fiat Grande Punto Emotion, you are watching Neon Wings and I'm Roy. We'll keep bringing you more such beautiful cars. We'll see you again. Take care.